getting it on paper. Had the walls plastered with paper. I had this construction paper. This is some of the first ideas, and I just wrapped this around the whole room and just started writing on it and figuring it out. And then after breaking it down off of this, going into more like a sticky pad or something like that, and isolating it and then putting it in different sections. But just following through really and keeping up on it and doing it every day. It's hard working full-time jobs and everything else, and just being able to dedicate time to work through it and figure it out. But following through, getting it on paper, and then executing on one of those ideas and figuring out how you're going to go about it. All paying for it, have stuff out of your pocket and learning, and then realizing when if I kept learning and doing everything myself, I'd be way older and never really get to market. So it was about knowing when to say when. This is my strengths. I'm gonna go out of my comfort zone for a little bit of stuff, and once I have like a proof of concept or the idea out, that's when I went and hired some engineers and then built a marketing team, and then started reaching out for some co-founders and people that would want to contribute, to believe in what we're doing as good, and build it out into a company. And that's where we're at now. We're meeting with a gentleman from STEM and STEAM Learning. He's a teacher. So we're going to meet with him today. We're going to pitch him a little bit of the idea and just see what he says, get some feedback, see if there's really a need for the market out there. It's not an overly saturated market, but there's a lot of people doing what we're trying to do. We believe our product line is that much better. There's things that for something for everybody. So our goal is to get to market, and we'll do whatever we have to do to get to market, even if it's breaking the segment, our product down into segments, and then pushing those, getting the market, getting the revenue, and the other end will just allow us to build out some more market research, some data, and build that out so it's even better for you in the end. So that's where I started. Now I have a minimal viable product, and it's just about getting it out there, getting it built. How can I do it with the most money that I have? Trying to raise funds at the same time as move forward and not give up, and just keep working it and just changing my angles and figuring out what has to be done, and executing on it, leaning on a team, asking for help, and then sticking to the plan and not jumping from that plan. And sometimes it's easy to make a quick decision to go spend money towards something that's going to get done, but stick to the plan. All those things will work out.